Hello, this is Keith from Kinvert, and we are going to be going over an example of solving a radical equation. This is something that you will see in algebra, and let's just jump in. The equation that we're going to be solving is the cube root of x plus 2, and that is, we're going to add 7 to that, and this is going to end up equaling 9. So what value of x will result in this being a true statement? So let's start taking a look. The first thing that we want to do is start isolating x, right? That's what we want to do, isolate x. The first thing we can do is get away this constant. So what we're going to do is subtract 7 from both sides. And let's look at what we have then. We still have the cube root of x plus 2, and now we have minus 7, so this is just 0, equals, this will still be 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now this is the equation we're looking at. Now we want to get this 2 over here, this 2, we want to get that away from the x, but we can't do it yet. We need to take, we've got a cube root there, so what we need to do is cancel out the cube root. How do we do that? Well, we take each side and we put it to the power of 3 and to the power of 3. Let's go ahead and do that. If we've got 3, the cube root of x plus 2, and this is cubed, and that equals 2 cubed, this ends up being x plus 2 equals 8. And let's quick examine that. So 2 squared is 4, and then you square that, and that's 8. That's where we're getting that from. This is essentially 2 squared squared, which is resulting in 8. So again, to get rid of the cube root, we cube each side. We take each side to the power of 3. Now we have x plus 2 equals 8. And hopefully you will know to finish isolating x, we subtract 2 from both sides. We end up with x equals 6. So the answer to this radical equation, the answer to this is x equals 6. Okay? And what we did is we isolated constants away. We isolate everything in the order we can. So we get this constant away, but we're still left with this cube root of x plus 2. We can't just say, subtract 2 from both sides. At this point, we first have to cube things. So when we cube both sides, now we have x plus 2 equals 8. At that point, we can subtract 2 from both sides. Now we have x equals 6. So that is an example of a solution to a radical equation. This is something in an algebra topic. Hope this was useful to you, and we will see you guys later. Bye.